If you're a retail agency owner and you're selling these incredible voice agents to clients, you're still stuck doing all the billing by hand. You're manually calculating usage, fighting with Stripe invoices, or chasing down payments. You're definitely leaving money on the table and wasting hours every single month on billing tasks that should be fully automated. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact billing system we've developed from working with over 600 agency owners, a system that's already processed over $500,000 in client charges. I'll show you exactly how you can apply this to your retail agents without writing a single line of code. We will cover all three common billing models. No matter how your business works, you're gonna walk away with a clear, plug-and-play way to scale. All right, let's get into it. So before diving into the product and showing you how it works, from connecting your Stripe to charging your clients, let me just walk you through all these three different models that our platform supports. And the first model is retainer plus overage model. And this one is super simple, and I'll say this is the most commonly used pricing model in this voice AI agency space. And here's how it works. You charge your client a flat monthly fee, say $299, and that includes something like 1,000 voice agent minutes. And if they go over, they pay an overage rate you set. And here's how we automate it with ChatDash. As soon as you create a subscription for the client, ChatDash will automatically charge base subscription fee in the beginning of the billing cycle. And during the billing cycle, it tracks usage. And if there's any overage fee at the end of the billing cycle, it's going to charge accordingly using your client's card on file. And I'll say this is perfect for agencies who want predictable revenue, but with a clear, automated, scalable upside. So next up is pure usage-based billing. And this is the model for high volume agents. Pure, simple, pay as you go. The way it works is very simple. You charge clients strictly based on their consumption. For example, 25 cents per minute. And every single minute your agent speaks gets tracked and automatically invoiced at the end of the month. No spreadsheets, no follow emails, no stress. And I'll say this is perfect for agencies selling high volume outbound agents, especially for sales, support, or appointment setting. And the last model is one-time setup fee. And this is the model for all your project-based work. The way it works is very simple. You charge a single one-time fee for the entire agent build and setup. And that's it. You build the agent, get paid, and hand it off. And here's how we automate it with ChatDash. You connect your Stripe account to ChatDash, and you create a one-time Stripe product inside ChatDash, say $2,500 for agent setup, and you can either send this invoice directly to the client's email, or if they have a card on file already, you can auto-charge it instantly. And you get notified immediately when it's paid through Stripe, so you can start the bill. And this is very crucial. I've seen the same pattern from successful agencies over the last 2 years, working with 600 agencies. Even if you start with the project-based contract, that doesn't mean you need to hand it off to your clients. If you did a good job on the project, you should be able to offer continuity plans for support and continuous improvement of agents. So if you think your project is implemented successfully, I'd highly recommend offering continuity plans. You could use Model 1 or Model 2, but it really doesn't matter. Just having a continuity plan available for your clients will change your agency. So now that we have covered three different billing models that ChatDash supports, and now let me show you how this actually works in the platform. So if you haven't done yet, feel free to sign up for a 14 days free trial. It's completely free. There's no strings attached. So just sign up for it. And then once you finish the onboarding process, you should be seeing this agency dashboard where you can manage your clients, agents, and everything. And what you want to do is going into Stripe billing. This is where you can connect your Stripe account. I have already connected my Stripe account, so it's showing this message. Your Stripe account is connected and ready to go. So just finish the onboarding process, and if it went successfully, you should be able to see this message. So next thing you want to do is going into active products, and you want to create a subscription product for your clients. Click on create product and give a product name. For example, voice AI ultimate plan. If you want, you can add a product description, but I'll just leave it as a blank. And this is where you can select pricing model we just mentioned in the video. There are three different models. Base subscription fee is basically monthly retainer plus overage, and usage-based, and one-time fee is a project-based contract. So in here, let's just select basic subscription fee for simplicity, and you can set up a retainer price, for example, 500. You can also select the currency and the billing period. We support three different billing periods: monthly, weekly, and yearly. And this is where you set up usage limit and overage. So in here, I want to give 1,000 minutes as included minute. So your client will be charged $500 up to 1,000 minutes they use. And after that, that's
when overage price comes in. And I want to set my overage price as 25 cents per minute. And let's go ahead and create. So as you can see, I just created this voice AI ultimate plan with 1000 minutes usage limit and 25 cents per minute overage price. So now that we have created our first product for our clients, then how do we actually create a subscription for this product? You want to go to subscriptions tab and you want to create subscription, and you want to select client and you want to select agent that you want to apply the subscription to. Let's select appointment booking for now and select the product. Let's select the voice AI ultimate plan we just created, and you can set up the start date of the subscription. I'll just select today, 27th of October, and after that simply create subscription. So now that you're seeing these active subscriptions for this agent specifically, the basic setup from an agency is done. Now that I'm going to show you the client's journey on how they can add their payment information and what they will see in the dashboard. So let's go back to homepage, and this is a domain that your client can get access to your client portal, and let's visit this client portal. So this is the portal your client will see under your custom domain and custom setup, custom white label setup for your agency. And let me log in as a client here. So I'm logging in as a client. So as you can see, as soon as I log in, portal prompts me to add payment information. Otherwise, only thing I can do is just logging out. So this way you can make sure your client actually put their payment information. If I click on add payment, I'm basically being redirected to the Stripe portal where I can add payment information here. So as soon as your client adds their payment information and return to ChatDash dashboard, they will see this another tab in the sidebar called subscription details. And this is where they check current billing period, total usage, and the price. There's also a button for managing subscriber themselves. So subscription details page basically allows your clients to see all the usage and all the subscription related metrics within one place. So that was it for the demo, and I wanted to mention this. Before using ChatDash, most agencies we talk to can handle maybe 3 or 5 clients max before their operations become a total nightmare. And after switching to automated rebilling, our users are easily scaling to 15, 20, even 50 plus clients without hiring extra ops people or chasing a single late invoice. And again, this exact rebilling system has already been used to process over $500,000 in client charges. This system just works.
So, if you're an AI agency building this incredible with agents, but you're struggling with how to deliver them professionally, charge for them clearly, and scale without all the chaos, this is your solution. With ChatDash, you can white label your dashboards, put all your billing on autopilot, and look enterprise ready without writing a single line of code. You can get this set up in 15 minutes. Start scaling like a product company today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.